The University of Victoria Libraries are situated in lands rich in history. We acknowledge and respect the ʷəŋən, the Songhees and ʷəŋən peoples on whose lands the university sits. We also acknowledge the ʷəŋən and W SÁNEĆ peoples whose relationships with these territories continue to this day. At UVic Libraries, we're taking steps to create a warm, welcoming, and respectful learning environment and sense of place to support the university's goals of creating a campus community that is accepting of diversity and being inclusive of Indigenous ways of knowing and being. Part of this work is ensuring there's a wide range of resources to support you on your learning journey. Our collections contain a wide range of sources that are available through our libraries, archives, and art collections. Resources that can help advance important goals of truth, reconciliation, and respect. But learning isn't just about what's inside of the libraries. It's also about remembering the long line of work that came before us and remembering the territories that we are in. In 2015, the Truth and Reconciliation Commission issued 94 calls to action.
As commissioners, we have described for you a mountain. We have shown you the path to the top. We call upon you to do the climbing. Miigwech.
Combined, these calls to action were aimed at establishing and maintaining respectful relationships, goals that are also expressed here at UVic. Realizing these calls to action is an ongoing effort within UVic Libraries. Many calls to action urge the rejection of notions of terra nullius and the doctrine of discovery. The ideas that lands in Canada were empty and could be claimed by colonial powers. Evidence abounds to support the rejection of those principles, including here in these territories. The record contained within the land proves this.
Welcome to the ancient village site of ʷəŋən. This is a site that has been occupied here for at least 1,000 years from what we know so far. This is the UVic SÁNEĆ 2023 Archaeological Field School. We're looking for evidence of house floors and fire hearths. From those we can find little charcoal samples to get radiocarbon dates and a little bit of a better sense of when this village was occupied and what people were doing when they were living here.
We're gathered here today to show you this is our homeland, the W SÁNEĆ Peoples' homeland. A lot of SÁNEĆ people descended from here as well, but the UVic students are learning and helping share some of the history of how we lived here.
Please join us in this work of truth, reconciliation, and respect, remembering and acknowledging the territories we all live in and the commitments and calls to action that encourage the establishment and maintenance of mutually respectful relationships. We're here to help you on your journey of learning.